Hey guys, Robert here with Wonder Off-Road, and I have a great product, you guys, brought to you all the way from Canada, guys. This is the Rucks bag. Now, I'll tell you what, guys, this is really a game changer. Now, in my past, I've used hard-sided Plano cases, and they've worked. They did really well, but the problem is they were too bulky. They just didn't fit sometimes in where I needed them, and that's where the Rucks bag breaks the mold. The Rucks bag, honestly, is really handy. Now, this particular configuration, this one has 70 liters of storage space, really making it handy for you to store all your gear, wherever it may be, your cooking gear, your clothes, your whatever it may be you need to camp with. This just helps out. Now, with their integrated rail system here, this helps so you guys can store gear on the outside or store gear on the inside and keep it all organized so it doesn't jumble and shake around. This really makes your camping setup that much better. Now, the pros also, this guy can also break down and become smaller as necessary, but keeps your gear protected inside and is also very handy when you are just needing to just store this away in the process. It's also very light, actually, guys. Even with my gear inside, this thing weighs next to nothing. So really helpful for those who are weight conscious on their vehicles.
So for this setup, you can see that the Rucks bag comes with a 70-liter bag, the Rucks bag, and a Rucks pocket. Now, each one has their own benefits and setup. Now, compared to other bags, such as the Pelican 1615 or even the Yeti Crossroads, they really do come way ahead with the Rucks system. Really makes it so you understand exactly what you're buying and it helps you decide what's the better pan for you. Now, don't just think that with Rucks, it's just one style of bag. No, Rucks has multiple styles of bags in different colors as well, and different styling to fit your needs for your adventure. But don't just think it's not just that. They also have the straps to hold these down for road trips as well, so you can put this on your roof rack and not have to have it inside your vehicle taking up extra space. So really, guys, check them out at rucks.com. They have a lot of good gear to make the adventure flow that much better.
Now, this is a very handy product for most people for everyday use and or camping use. Now, we've used it sometimes when we store our groceries in the car, and honestly, it really does help out. And I gotta say, guys, this product, I am fully endorsing this one. The quality is top notch. The company is A+, and I gotta tell you guys, this is something that we all should buy. So far, my impressions on this, the material they make with this is very high quality and really is durable and water resistant. So I can leave the bag out on accident in a little rain or say a snowstorm, and my gear inside should stay warm and dry. Now, this really breaks the mold when it comes to us and having bags. Rucks has stepped up the game and gone a different direction than everybody else has in the storage game. So guys, if you guys like this, you want to see more products like Rucks, check them out at rucks.com. Guys, also, if you want to help support this channel, check out our links in the description below. You can check out our PayPal and help keep this channel going that much longer. Guys, I want to thank you again for watching, and remember, you can't go wrong with that.